Why are you there? It's very cold, huh? Tell your mother, your father. Look, Whitney's here. Here, look. Whitney's here, look. There, Whitney's there. Hello. Whitney. She's very cold, Whitney. Yeah, I feel bad, Whitney. She's very cold. Yeah. Huh? Oh, she stand up. Carl, Carl, did you see that?
Yeah.
Pick her up, pick her up. You need to go home. You need to go home. Yeah, it's very cold. You need to go home. Okay? Yeah. Here's Whitney. Look at Whitney. Whitney! Look at your friend, Whitney. Look at your friend. You put Whitney down so Whitney can meet his friend.
Whitney,
Yeah.
want to go over there though.
Yeah.
She want to go over there.
Okay, come on, Whitney. Get your friend.
She want to go over there.
Because there's a cheese.
Yeah, smells cheese.
Yeah. Huh? You go home.